Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best protein powder this year, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to build muscle, recover faster, or just get more protein in your diet, the right supplement can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one to choose? Today, I'm counting down the top 5 protein powders that deliver high quality ingredients, great taste, and real results. Whether you need something for bulking, cutting, plant-based diets, or a budget-friendly option, I've got something for you. And trust me, you don't want to miss my #1 pick. It's been the go-to choice for millions of athletes and fitness enthusiasts. All right, let's jump right in. Number 5, Nutricost Whey Protein, best budget protein powder. If you're looking for a solid protein powder that won't break the bank, Nutricost Whey Protein is one of the best budget-friendly options. Provides 25 grams of protein per serving to support muscle recovery and strength. Affordable pricing compared to premium protein brands. No artificial fillers or additives, just clean ingredients. Mixes easily with water or milk, no clumps or grainy texture. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a simple, effective protein powder without spending a fortune. It may not have all the fancy extras, but it gets the job done. However, because it's not a whey isolate, it does contain a little more fat and carbs. So if you're looking for a leaner option, you might want to check out the next products on this list. Number 4, KOS Vegan Protein Powder. Best plant-based option. For those who prefer plant-based protein or have lactose intolerance, KOS Vegan Protein Powder is one of the best dairy-free options out there. Delivers 20 grams of protein per serving, sourced from pea, quinoa, chia, and pumpkin protein. Includes digestive enzymes to help with absorption and prevent bloating. Smooth texture with a great taste, unlike many plant-based protein powders. Organic, gluten-free, and non-GMO, making it one of the cleanest options on the market. A lot of plant-based protein powders have a gritty texture or strange aftertaste, but KOS has really nailed the formula. It blends well, tastes great, and provides a complete amino acid profile. The only downside is that it has slightly less protein per serving compared to whey-based options. But if you want a natural, dairy-free alternative, this is one of the best. Number 3, Ghost Nutter Butter Protein Powder. Best tasting protein powder. If you've ever struggled with bad-tasting protein powders, this one is for you. Ghost has built a reputation for making some of the best-tasting protein powders available, and the Nutter Butter flavor is a standout. Provides 26 grams of protein per serving. Sourced from whey protein isolate and concentrate. Unique and delicious flavors like Nutter Butter, Chips Ahoy, and Cinnabon. Low in sugar but still delivers a milkshake-like taste. Versatile enough to use in shakes, pancakes, or high-protein desserts. While the taste is a major highlight, it doesn't have quite as much protein per scoop as some competitors. But if flavor is a top priority for you, this one is hard to beat. Number 2, Isopure Whey Isolate. Best for lean muscle digestion. If you're serious about lean muscle gains and easy digestion, Isopure Whey Isolate is a fantastic choice. Provides 25 grams of whey protein isolate per serving, one of the purest forms of protein. 0 sugar, 0 carbs, making it perfect for those on a low-carb or keto diet. Completely lactose-free, so it's easier on the stomach. High in BCAAs to support muscle recovery and performance. Because it's an isolate, it goes through an extra filtration process that removes excess fats, carbs, and lactose, leaving you with pure, high-quality protein. If you're looking for a protein powder that won't cause bloating or digestive issues, this is one of the best out there. And finally, my #1 pick, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Best overall protein powder. This is the gold standard for a reason. It has been the most trusted and widely used protein powder for years, and it continues to be one of the best choices for athletes, bodybuilders, and everyday fitness enthusiasts. Provides 24 grams of whey protein per serving, sourced from whey isolate and concentrate. Includes BCAAs and glutamine for better muscle recovery. Mixes perfectly, no clumps, no weird aftertaste. Trusted by millions of people worldwide. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned athlete, this protein powder is a great, all-around choice. It offers a great balance of protein, amino acids, and affordability. It's been the #1 choice for years, and there's a reason why so many people swear by it. So, which protein powder do you use? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, Hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, fitness supplements, and workout tips. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.